Hi there, this is Spencer with Zima Software. Today's tutorial is all about account codes. How you add or remove account codes, as well as how you assign these account codes to a single agent or multiple agents at the same time. Notice we are on the admin portal here. Once you are signed in, you click over here on the account/busy codes, select account codes. It's going to list out all of your agents here on the left-hand column. You can select an individual agent, or you can select all agents by pushing Control A, selecting them all, and then come down here to add account code. Let me add something in here like sales. Okay, sales is added in here, so 100 agents now have the option for the sales account code. Now if I want to add a single agent to a specific account code, let's say big fish. Let's reel in that big fish for the sale. There you go. Alex Morsi is now able to add in big fish from the drop-down option for big fish. If I want to add additional people to this, I go in here, click on the blue man, and add additional agents to that as well, or all. Completely up to you on how you want to do that. Now in the end, if you want to come over here and delete one of these account codes, go ahead and highlight it and push the little X button. That'll remove that account code as a drop-down option when account codes are being selected. That is how you assign an individual agent, multiple agents, and how you assign multiple account codes to each. That's how it's done.